Assalamu alaikum. In this video, how to draw a straight black line in Photoshop. Let's begin. Create a new layer, select the pen tool, path to shape and use stroke color black. Line, choose your line, solid line. Press enter. Then click anywhere, hold shift, see this straight line. Hold control, select then straight line. Again straight line. Hold shift, straight line. Hold shift, straight line. Hold shift, straight line. Again create a new layer, click anywhere, hold shift, straight line. Hold shift, sorry, hold shift, straight line.